that happened was within legal bounds. Lahat naman yan according to law. Kaya, it's actually the complaint itself, parang na-weirdan ako kasi hindi naman committee report eh. But why the haste? Why not wait for the committee report? Kasi that's a committee investigation. What was contained was a chairman's report. So that's a little strange. But anyway, we'll answer it.
But sir, do you think this will be enough for Senator Ivy once na you submit your explanation to the ombudsman?
Pagtapos ng election, tama na yun. Kasi parang in-aid lang yan. Parang gusto lang talaga makakuha ng publicity tungkol sa election. Wala tayong magagawa.
Sir, yung kay Pulong po, meron din daw pong complaint na final po dito dun sa parang
Grave threats.
grave threats.
Yeah, I was told about it.
And there's also
And,
a CCTV, but Pulong is saying na baka daw fake po yung